The night sky, a vast canvas of twinkling stars, holds countless wonders. Among these celestial marvels, few events are as captivating as a lunar eclipse. Imagine this: the full moon, usually radiating a gentle silver glow, begins to darken. Slowly a shadow creeps across its surface, transforming its familiar shape. This, my friends, is the magic of a lunar eclipse. For millennia, humanity has gazed up at this celestial spectacle, filled with awe and wonder. Today we understand the science behind these eclipses, but their power to inspire and captivate remains undimmed. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of lunar eclipses. To understand a lunar eclipse, we must first understand the cosmic ballet performed by the Earth, Moon and Sun. The Moon, our celestial neighbor, doesn't emit its own light. Instead, it reflects the light of the Sun. This reflected sunlight is what illuminates our night sky. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth positions itself directly between the Sun and the Moon. Imagine the Sun as a giant spotlight, the Earth as a basketball, and the Moon as a tennis ball. When the basketball passes between the spotlight and the tennis ball, it casts a shadow onto the smaller sphere. This shadow is not uniform. It has two distinct parts, the umbra and the penumbra. During a lunar eclipse, the Moon gradually moves into the Earth's shadow. A total lunar eclipse is often referred to as a blood moon due to the Moon's striking reddish-orange hue. This dramatic transformation occurs when the Moon is completely enveloped in the Earth's umbra. As sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere, the shorter wavelengths of light, such as blue and green, are scattered away. The longer wavelengths, like red and orange, are refracted or bent around the Earth and onto the Moon's surface. This filtered light bathes the Moon in a warm reddish glow, creating the mesmerizing spectacle of a blood moon. Now that we understand the science behind the Moon's transformation, let's explore the different phases of a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse unfolds in stages, each marked by distinct visual changes as the Moon interacts with the Earth's shadow. There are three main phases: penumbral, partial, and total. The penumbral eclipse is the subtlest of the three. As the Moon enters the Earth's penumbra, the outer, lighter part of its shadow, a subtle dimming occurs across the lunar surface. This dimming is often difficult to perceive with the naked eye. Next comes the partial eclipse. During this phase, the Moon begins to move into the Earth's umbra, the darkest part of its shadow. A dark bite appears on the Moon's edge, gradually growing larger as the eclipse progresses. Finally, the moment of totality arrives. The Moon is fully engulfed by the Earth's umbra, and the lunar surface transforms into a captivating reddish-orange hue. After totality, the eclipse reverses its course, and the Moon gradually emerges from the Earth's umbra.
Lunar eclipses have captivated humanity for millennia, leaving their mark on our history, culture, and scientific understanding. Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Mayans, meticulously recorded these celestial events, using them to track time, predict future occurrences, and develop their understanding of the cosmos. Ancient astronomers noticed patterns in the timing of lunar eclipses. They realized that these events were not random, but followed a cyclical pattern known as the Saros cycle. The Saros cycle, lasting approximately 18 years and 11 days, allowed ancient cultures to predict future eclipses with remarkable accuracy. In ancient China, lunar eclipses were believed to be caused by a celestial dragon devouring the Moon. To ward off this celestial beast, people would bang drums and cymbals to frighten it away.
Today, lunar eclipses continue to fascinate and inspire. Scientists can analyze the light refracted through the Earth's atmosphere during a lunar eclipse to study its composition and properties. Moreover, lunar eclipses offer a unique platform for studying the Moon's surface.
Section 6: Global Perspectives, Myths, Legends, and Celebrations. Lunar eclipses have captivated cultures worldwide, inspiring a rich tapestry of myths, legends, and celebrations. These stories offer a glimpse into humanity's shared fascination with the cosmos, and our attempts to make sense of the celestial wonders unfolding above. In many cultures, lunar eclipses were seen as omens, often associated with impending doom or disruption. The ancient Mesopotamians, for example, believed that a lunar eclipse foreshadowed the death of their king. To protect their ruler, They would install a substitute king during the eclipse, hoping to appease the angry gods. In Hindu mythology, a lunar eclipse is linked to the story of Rahu, a demon who disguised himself as a god to steal a sip of the elixir of immortality. The sun and moon, witnessing this deception, alerted the god Vishnu, who severed Rahu's head. The severed head, known as Rahu, is said to chase the sun and moon, occasionally catching and swallowing them, causing eclipses. Today, lunar eclipses continue to inspire awe and wonder, bringing people together to witness these celestial spectacles.
Section 7. Scientific Insights. Unlocking Lunar Secrets. Beyond their cultural significance, lunar eclipses provide valuable opportunities for scientific discovery. These celestial events offer a unique platform for studying the moon's surface, the Earth's atmosphere, and the dynamics of our solar system. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon's surface undergoes a rapid change in temperature as it transitions from sunlight to shadow and back again. This rapid cooling and heating can reveal information about the composition and thermal properties of the lunar regolith, the layer of loose, fragmented material covering the moon's bedrock. By analyzing the infrared radiation emitted by the moon during an eclipse, scientists can determine the mineral composition of the lunar surface, map its temperature variations, and study the physical properties of the regolith. These insights help us understand the moon's geological history, the processes that shaped its surface, and the potential resources available for future lunar exploration. Furthermore, lunar eclipses allow scientists to study the Earth's atmosphere in a unique way.
Section 8. Capturing the moment. Photographing a lunar eclipse. Witnessing a lunar eclipse is an unforgettable experience, and capturing this celestial spectacle through photography allows you to preserve and share the magic of the moment. Fortunately, photographing a lunar eclipse is relatively straightforward, even with basic equipment. You don't need a high-end camera to capture stunning images of a lunar eclipse. A DSLR or mirrorless camera with manual controls will give you greater creative freedom, but even a point-and-shoot camera or a smartphone can capture the essence of the event. A tripod is essential for keeping your camera steady during the long exposures required for lunar eclipse photography. Use a remote shutter release or the camera's self-timer function to minimize vibrations further. When it comes to lens choice, a telephoto lens with a focal length of 200 millimeters or more will help you capture detailed images of the moon. Experiment with different exposure settings to find the optimal balance between capturing the moon's details and the surrounding sky. Start with a low ISO setting, around 100 to 400, to minimize noise.
Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the cosmic ballet. Lunar eclipses, those captivating celestial ballets performed by the Earth, Moon and Sun, have captivated humanity for millennia. From ancient myths and legends to modern scientific discoveries, these events continue to inspire awe, wonder, and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. As we've explored, lunar eclipses occur when the Earth positions itself directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow onto the lunar surface. This celestial alignment transforms the Moon's familiar silvery glow into a mesmerizing reddish-orange hue, creating the spectacle of a blood moon. Whether you're an avid sky watcher, a budding photographer, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, I encourage you to embrace the next opportunity to witness a lunar eclipse.